Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on today's video. Today I am doing a hair care 5-minute review. If you've never watched one of my 5-minute reviews before, pretty much a 5-minute review is when I take 5 minutes to review 5 different products, tell you the best and the worst, and whether I will be repurchasing them or not. So let's go ahead and get started. The first product we're going to talk about is the Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Bodybuilding Dry Shampoo in Orange Mango Scent. The reason I get dry shampoo, like most people, is because I'm too lazy to wash my hair. No. The reason I got the dry shampoo is to absorb any extra oils that produce in my hair. That way I don't have to wash it as much. Maybe I'm running late, whatever the case may be. I really like the scent of this. I think it's got a very nice floral scent. It is really good for texture. It added a lot of texture to my hair. So on the days that, most of the days that I use dry shampoo, I usually curl my hair. So it really helped with that body and that texture to any curls that I put into it. So I definitely would get this again. It's not my favorite. It's not the worst. It is definitely in that middle ground. I'm always looking for the best dry shampoo. But this is definitely one of my, if I see it at the store and I need dry shampoo, I'll probably gravitate towards it. Next is the Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo from OGX, or Organics as most people call them. This pretty much is an exclusive blend with vitamin B7, biotin, collagen, and hydrolyzed wheat protein. So this made my hair feel just luxurious, and it smelled and felt so nice, so good. I really enjoyed the feel of it. I really like this shampoo and I will be purchasing it again. It's sulfate free, which most of the time I like sulfates in my hair care. I know that's not good for your hair, but I feel like it really washes it. But this time, this did really wash my hair and it made my hair feel really good. Left my hair feeling soft. I felt like my hair was really strong too after using this. So I highly recommend using this. I know a lot of people like this. Along with the shampoo, we have the ProV Repair and Protect shampoo. It has a good smell. I liked the smell of it. It hair felt a lot more full and like plump. Is that weird to say that your hair can be plump? But it just felt a lot more full. I felt like every time my hair would dry, I had a lot more body and bounce. It wasn't too nourishing, but it wasn't too stripping either. It was kind of right in that middle ground. My hair cannot take a lot of moisture or nourishment because it will get too oily too fast, but shampoos that have a little bit of nourishment in them are really good. So I do color and do my hair a lot, so I do have definitely some damage, but otherwise I keep my hair very nice. But this is a very good shampoo. It is on the lower cost end. If you're looking for one, I recommend this. Speaking about hair repair things, these are the Pantene Intense Rescue Shots. I have 3 of them. These are half fluid ounce, but I was able to get 2 uses out of them. I think that's really good. Again, my hair, I have a lot of hair, but I have finer hair, so I don't need that much product. So I just used about half of the shot, and then I used another like a week later. My hair felt very nourished after, very hydrated. I do like these. I think they were very nice. I wouldn't use them all the time. Again, that's just because of my hair and how my hair type is. And lastly is my very favorite product. This is the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. I love this stuff. First of all, I love the smell. I have used these for years and years, ever since they came out with them years ago, like almost 10 years ago, I think. There's a lot of years that I went without using this, and then I went back, I think because it was on sale just about, I don't know, 6-9 months ago, and I forgot how much I love this stuff. This is so good. Very nourishing without adding any weight or extra oil to the hair, and it's only like $5 or $6. You can find it pretty much anywhere. I highly recommend it. It has almond and protein ceramides. Having a nice hair mask really is good, and this is an awesome one. So just quickly go through what I would purchase again. I would repurchase everything. This was a really good hair care kind of day. So everything I would repurchase again. They were really good. I especially love this. If you do not get this, I will be sad. It is so good. So if you have really damaged, need some hydration to your hair, I suggest this 1000%. Okay guys, that is it for today's 5-minute review hair care edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed yet. Also turn on the post notifications so you're notified every Monday or every other Monday, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time when I upload a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to you in my very next video. Mwah! Bye guys.